In this video, we're going to look at using SuperLooper to create some simple music loops. So the app looks at this here. There is also a version, if I click it, there is a version if you're using an iPad that you can download for free on the App Store, and it will work the same age using your fingers on the screen as opposed to using the mouse. So to start with, first of all, we're going to set our tempo. So we click here, and it's just to tap 4 times to get the desired tempo. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That sets our tempo. We can hear that click track now. That's going to help us to maintain the beat that we want. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to record our drums. We have 1, 2, 3 options. And you can see this loop is going around. When the green circle gets to the top, that's the start of our bars. That's where we want to think about starting. So I'm going to wait till this gets to the start, and then I'm going to put some drums in. Now, that first one sounds a little bit off, so that's okay. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to start again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sounds a lot better. So I'm going to stick with that. So now I'm going to add some more drums in. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to choose the next one. Now, you'll probably notice that different parts of the screen make different drum sounds. I've made a bit of a mess there, so I'm going to get rid of that. Let's start again. So now I'm going to add my rhythm in. Now, maybe I want to add a little bit more in there, so I'm going to go. Now, I'm going to delete that again. So what I can do is I can loop up. So I can add more to this. So I've got this here. And I'm going to add some bass in. I'm going to add some lead in for it. Then finally, when I'm ready to finish my work, I'm going to click record. So it's going to record for my work. Stop that there, and then once I've created something that I want to export, I can export that as an MP3, and that'll download, and then I can use that wherever I want. Now, one of the things we can do with this that we can't do with one or two of the other apps we discuss, if I start again, is where I recorded at the end there. If I want to, I can record all of my build-up from the start. So I'm going to set my tempo. I'm going to start recording now. I'm going to start with drums. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So if I stop recording now and let this play out, what it will do is it will record the build-up as opposed to just recording everything together. Okay, so As I said, it's compared to some of the others, it doesn't have the breadth of instruments, but it does allow that live recording, which is a handy feature.